In this video, I will show you how to send snaps without the media upload label on Snapchat. First, make sure that you have a stable internet connection and that Snapchat app is up to date. To confirm, launch Open Play Store or App Store, tap on the search bar and here type Snapchat. Now search for that. If you find the update option, tap on that and update the app to the latest version. After that, you want to launch Open Snapchat, log into your account. Now tap on this arrow icon. From here, select Director Mode. Then you're going to have the option of import media. Go ahead and select that. Now tap on enable. Now you want to choose a photo or video you want to send from your gallery. After selecting it, tap the check mark, then tap on preview to continue. From there, tap on the send to option. Now choose the friends or followers that you want to send it to. After that, tap on this arrow icon. Now, the snap will be sent without the media upload label. Keep in mind that this depends on the app version and Snapchat's current features, so the result may vary between accounts. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.